It's going to obviously with granny flats or anything else like that, adding them to an existing property is going to increase what we see as the value. So we just wanted to design that would go with something that we have already built with more of a contemporary modern open space design. We figured that because we were adding just one bedroom, we wanted something that would mimic our ceilings. Matt and Mel have just been amazing during the whole process. They've really been able to bring our thoughts into a design and then make it to something that will work so well with the space that we have already. In terms of customer service, Matt's been unbelievable and so has Mel. We would definitely recommend them to anybody that's looking to take some of their thoughts and make them into their own design as well, and also use materials that relate to current things that they might already have or designs that they want to be doing for the future.